I moved a lot growing up. Different schools, different cities, and high school was really the first time I stayed in one place for more than a couple years. And that was when I actually moved in with my grandmother. And after graduation, I ended up joining the Marine Corps at 19 years old, where I learned at a very young age how to be a leader, how to make decisions in some pretty intense times. And the Marine Corps really teaches you how to live with three core values. That is honor, courage, and commitment. Those are three values that I live with every single day, both personally and professionally. After my time in the Marine Corps, I studied game art and design at Full Sail University because originally I wanted to create the assets for video games. But after I graduated, my career took some pretty different turns. I was only able to find work at a warehouse, and shortly after COVID hit. But during that time, I was able to build myself up into inside sales, where I managed some pretty big clients and a lot of relationships. And then eventually I moved on to another company where I worked as a business development manager. From there, I ended up getting my foot in the door at Virgin Voyages. And when I entered that company, I was shocked. I learned what it meant for a company to have an identity that people loved, a brand that people loved and appreciated and respected. And when I was at Virgin Voyages, I worked on project management end to end, and I worked on a pretty incredible team in change management as well. And this ended up becoming something I became really good at and something I wanted to do. And so that's why I'm here now. I am going back in the direction of the entertainment industry, and I'm bringing this concept of brand and identity back. I want to help brands use their imagination and take that creativeness and turn it into identity, but not just turn it into identity, but learn how to maintain it. So my goal is to be that person a company can turn to when your brand needs a direction. I have lived through more change than most people my age, and that is really what I bring to a brand. That's really what I bring to a company. Not just the changes that I've endured personally, but the changes that I have endured professionally. Letting me be part of your story is just the beginning. You can visit my website at www.joshuawestman.com, or you can visit my LinkedIn page at linkedin.com/in/joshua.westman. I'll see you there.